Heart sound of horses, Bach flower therapy for horses. Bach flower therapy is a gentle, holistic approach to balancing the emotional and mental well-being of horses. Horses, like humans, can experience stress, fear, anxiety, and trauma, which can impact their overall health. Bach flower remedies offer a natural way to help horses regain emotional balance and harmony. What is Bach flower therapy? Bach flower therapy uses 38 flower essences developed by Dr. Edward Bach. These essences are designed to target emotional states and can help alleviate issues like fear, stress, trauma, and nervousness in animals. The remedies are safe, non-toxic, and work by addressing the emotional root cause of physical or behavioral problems. Benefits for horses. Emotional balance helps horses overcome stress, anxiety, and emotional imbalances caused by changes in their environment, training, or trauma. Stress relief, ideal for horses facing stressful situations such as competitions, travel, or new environments. Behavioral improvement, assists in calming nervous or hyperactive horses and helps build trust in horses with fear-based behavioral issues. Trauma recovery, can be used to support recovery from physical or emotional trauma, such as injury, abuse, or relocation. Key Bach flower remedies for horses. Rescue remedy, a blend of 5 Bach flower essences designed to offer immediate comfort in times of stress or shock. Perfect for use during emergencies, vet visits, or stressful events. Mimulus, ideal for horses that are fearful of specific things, like loud noises, other animals, or unfamiliar environments. Rock rose, helps horses overcome extreme fear or panic, especially useful after traumatic events or accidents. Aspen, used for horses that are anxious or nervous about the unknown, such as upcoming competitions or new surroundings. Walnut, supports horses during transitions, such as moving to a new stable, changing owners, or starting new training routines. How to administer Bach flower remedies to horses. In drinking water, add a few drops of the chosen remedy into the horse's water bucket. Topically, apply diluted remedies to areas like the muzzle, behind the ears, or directly on the gums. In feed, mix a few drops of the remedy into the horse's feed. Why Bach flower therapy for horses? Bach flower therapy is gentle and works subtly by restoring emotional balance. It is particularly beneficial for sensitive horses or those undergoing stressful changes. The therapy supports a horse's overall health by addressing emotional well-being, which is often the key to resolving physical or behavioral issues. By using Bach flower therapy, you can help your horse maintain emotional harmony, reduce stress, and promote overall well-being in a natural, safe way.